Shop Terra is coming. Shop Terra is here. In case you are asking, what is Shop Terra? Shop Terra is an online platform where you can list your product by yourself. No matter the product you are selling, you can list it, and buyers, as a buyer, you can come and buy from there. I want to tell all Nigerians to get ready for a smart way to connect, to trade, and to grow. Let's get to it. Shopterra is your all-in-one online marketplace where anyone can buy and sell with ease. Okay? Whether you are a business owner, you are a freelancer, you are a hustler, this is your opportunity to reach more customers without stress. All right? What you can do on Shopterra. All right? I'm going to be listing some of the things that you can do on Shopterra as of this time. Okay, this website and the mobile app are going to be launching this month. Everything is packaged already. We are waiting for you. You are selling phones. You can list your smartphone in Shopterra. Then those who want to buy smartphone can also come to Shopterra and buy smartphone of any type. So bring your smartphone, list it on Shopterra, let customers come and buy from you. Okay, you can use the link to promote your product. Number 2, digital products. Maybe you sell ebooks, or you want to buy ebooks. You sell courses, you train people, you have a design you want to sell. You can list it on Shopterra, and those who want to buy can get it from Shopterra. Number 3, services. Maybe you offer a skill, you have a services you do, you are electrician, you are a driver, no matter the skill you have, and you want people to come and to notice you. You can come and list your skill on Shopterra and allow people to see your skill and buy your skill from you. Number 4, electronics. You can buy and sell gadgets, appliances, and accessories with ease. So you that have electronics, list them on Shopterra. Let buyers come and buy from you. Okay. Now the next one is fashion. Showcase your fashion item on Shopterra. Okay, so that people can see what you have and come and buy from you. Okay, you can list your product there, and you can share the link with people to connect with you on Shopterra. The next one is property. Okay, you can list your land, that you have a land for sale. You can list your house, you have a house for sale or for rent. You have a space for sale or for rent. Okay, you can list them there, connect people who want to buy, and they will buy from you. Okay, the next one is vehicles. You can sell or find cars. You can sell your cars at Shopterra. You can buy a car at Shopterra. Bikes, bicycle, tricycles. You can list it on Shopterra, and you can also come and buy from Shopterra. The next one is furniture. Okay, you can display your furniture product on Shopterra. Okay, your product of high quality home appliances are the rest. You can list them on Shopterra, and those who want to buy can come to Shopterra and you buy a good product. The next one is accessories. From small add-ons accessories, phone accessories, any type of accessory at all, you can list them as a seller. You can list them on Shopterra, and those who want to buy can come to Shopterra and buy. The next one is agricultural product. This one, I really want to emphasize on it. Okay, you can list your agricultural product on Shopterra for people who are living around the village, who their products are not accessing the market. You can list your product on Shopterra at a good price, at a favorable price, and people will come, will order your product from Shopterra, and they will get your product. All the things we are doing here, they are community managed. So you can come as an individual. As long as you have been verified as a seller, you can push your product by sending the link to different platform, and when people click on the link, they can buy from you. And also you can use the link to run advertisement on any social media platform, and once people click on the link, they will come and buy from you on ShopTerra. This is a big one for you. Let me say, for instance, somebody is looking for electrician around Auchi Azis, okay, Edo State, and he is trying to get across somebody that can help him and do the work. Now, the person can be advised to come to ShopTerra, and electricians have listed their expertise on the website, and from there the person can contact that person who have who qualification for that job. Carpenter can be listed. Drivers, you can list that your car is for Uber. You want to be dropping people, you can list it in ShopTerra, and your contact, everything will be there, and people will be able to meet up with you. Let us build this community together. Let us build a mobile market that will drive locally through the village, through the city, along our road. Let's make it happen. This is coming, coming. ShopTerra, the place where you shop quality at low price. Don't forget, the website is already active. List your product now before the launch day proper. The website link is www.shoptera.com.ng. www.shop, that is shop, shoptera.com.ng. All right, see you in the system. You are welcome. ShopTerra to the world.